Now I show you pollo coi peperoni. It's a really great and really yummy recipe. It's very easy and it's very comfort food. Allora, the pollo with the sweet pepper, you need to have the sweet pepper that normally is yellow and red, but sometimes you go in the market and you don't find it. So take this one. Okay, more or less is sweet and more or less is yellow, red. Okay, we have the kitchen. You can use all the parts of the kitchen. We start with the extra virgin olive oil. Remember, good extra virgin. And oh Jesus, the onion. I like and I love the violet or red onion. Okay. Here we 2 minutes, and after we had the chicken. Okay, I use this one. I prefer is this part, and is very soft, and you have you can eat too much. Okay, here, if you like, you can put also some garlic. In the restaurant sometimes there is I don't love the garlic, so I prefer don't put inside. Salt. Just a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit of this one that is the chili, the idea. Okay, we can say just the idea. Look. And now we move. Okay, this is a very interesting recipe because it's not a rich recipe. This is very poor, and usually in Italy, in Roma, because this is a recipe that we made just in Roma, is made for the middle of August. In Italy, the middle of August is a holiday, and all the people go to the beach, go, I don't know, no problem. But in Roma, you go to in every part of in the country. Okay, you need to have this one and another recipe that is the tomato with the rice. So now that this part is ready, okay. Now that the kitchen is ready for to go with the rest of the recipe. Before 2-3 tomato, just to say, we can say that there is just a little bit red. Okay. Oh, perfetto. Now this is rum or white wine, as you want. Posso fare il mago? Ok. Ta-da! Okay, now start to cook, and more or less you can cook all in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So before you need to start with the meat, okay? And when you stay in the middle of the cook, you need to put the sweet pepper. So for to close the recipe, cook together the chicken and the sweet pepper. In Roma, it's normally to use the sweet pepper that is red and yellow because in Roma there is the softball. Okay, I'm from Lazio and my softball is Lazio. So for this is the reason that I use this one. Now that more or less you stay in the middle of the cook, we add the peppers, okay? And low fire and finish the cook more or less also 10 minutes. Just a little bit of salt and just a little bit of aromatic herbs. Normally we use the majorana. I don't find the majorana and we stay in the summer, so use the basil. Okay? Go to sleep. See you in 10 minutes. Bye. So now we are ready. Voila! Look! Eccolo. Now I'll show you. Perfect. You can see the tomato, the onion, extra virgin olive oil and the sweet pepper. Okay, if you want you can add some oil, but it's not important, you know. Just this one. Okay, and this is my kitchen with now this is my ciao Jericho, and this is my chicken with the sweet pepper, not yellow, not red, because I'm from football Lazio.
The chicken.
Kitchen. Sorry. Please. What's that? Please, you need to cut.
No, it's the best part.
But this is
it's
a problem. When I go to the customer, I always say, today we have the kitchen. Before I say kitchen, chicken, and after I say kitchen, okay, chicken with the sweet pepper, because there is a salt, but also in Italian. There is the words that is like the name Patrizia and Stefania. All the people that the name is Patrizia, for me is Stefania. Oh, ciao Stefania, she said, no, I'm Patrizia. It's my brain, I don't know why. It's don. Okay.
Really? But